Pixelmator Pro supports only single page projects. So if I create a new blank document, I will end up with just one page and I cannot add another page to this single document. I will need to make a new project for that. But there is a workaround. We can create groups and then use them to hide and show different pages. This way we can keep the whole project in a single design file. To do that, right click in your layer panel on the left, select group, and now we put a little folder here that we can name page 1. Let me just add a text so we know what page we are on. Now with this page 1 group, I can just duplicate the whole group and name the copy page 2. We can repeat this process. So now I got 4 groups for 4 different pages. You can reorder them if you prefer to have like page 1 at the very top. Here it is. And the key point is to switch off the visibility of other pages. So keep only one page active by clicking this checkbox, and all of other layers and objects will be kept on inside this folder icon for page 1. So if I add a shape here, take a look, it's on page 1 only. So now if I want to move to page 2, switch this off, click this on, page 2. Now we are in folder for page 2, page 3, and page 4. So this is a little workaround how we can have multi-page document in Pixelmator Pro. It cannot support multiple artboards by default, but I think this workaround is not bad. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.